Hello, have you ever decided to make this kind of scented candle before and you never got it right? This video is right for you. Very simple, just follow my step-by-step explanation.
Hello, once again you're welcome to my channel, and we learn so much things about soap production, cosmetics, sale, and there's some other household gadget agents, cleaning agents. Okay, today I'm on a specific request to make this candle, scented candle. Oh my god, scented candle. Okay, so I'll be using this my paraffin wax. You can use paraffin wax, you can use beeswax. Okay, and I'll be using color. The person demanded for yellow color, and then I'll be putting my fragrance, very lovely fragrance. Okay, so let's get there. I decided to measure my wax, and I have there 112 gram of wax. And so what is the next thing I'm going to do? I will have to mix my candle, my wax first. I put my wax there. Okay, I met it on a low heat. Let me remove my okay. While we wait for the wax to melt, you can get just anything that be across. I'll be using it as my jar, so just get anything across. And then this is to hold the wick. This is my wick. Okay, we'll hold it onto it like this while we wait for our wax to melt. The essence of this is just so that the wick doesn't fall inside, pending the time you are not yet, when you have not fixed your wax. So you keep it like this. So you see me when I pour it, and you will see I'm going to adjust it. Okay, so I'll be having my scissors here to trim it. Peradventure is too long or something. Okay, let's wait. Keep our finger crossed. Our wax is melted now. You can see it's already melted. So I'll be dropping our color there. I'll be dropping the color. Okay. The request for yellow color, so I'll be dropping oil yellow color. So we mix it because it's already color, so it will mix well with the oil, with the wax. Depends on how deep you want the color to be. Okay, so at this time you wash the heat on it. We allow it to cool down for about a minute or two, so that it doesn't break our gas. At this time you can put your fragrance. I'll be putting this fragrance there. The fragrance, the choice is yours. Okay, so when we call it scented candle, make sure it's the kind of scent you want. It's still very hot, you know, just still very hot. So let's be patient, a minute or two. If you have watched to this extent and you are here to subscribe, please do subscribe and share it. I love the people sharing it. I've seen people share my video and I appreciate them so much. I say God bless you. And again, they will comment, ask questions, and then say good thing about the video. It encourages me to want to do more. I know you also do the same. As you watch it now, I know you want to do the same. Okay, Okay, it's time for us to pour it. So you lift up your and then pour it. So make sure your wick is standing well. Okay, so wait. In the next 1 to 2 hours, it should be strong enough for us to use as our candle. Then we'll come back that time. Make sure your wick is standing very well. Okay, so we come back that time and trim our wick. Thanks so much for staying till now. God bless you. Waiting for your comments, waiting for your subscription, and waiting to see you share it. Let me know those ones that share. Tell me you share. Tell me shared. Tell me shared in the comment section. God bless you. See you in my next video. Okay, our candle is ready. So we trim the wick. So you can see our wick now. Okay, seems it's still a bit long. Let's trim it so that it will be able to stand. Okay, so you can see it standing now. So our candle is ready. It's ready. You can see our candle. Okay, you can see our candle. Our candle is on. Our candle is on. Our candle is burning. Our candle is burning. Our candle is burning. Our candle is burning. So the color gives the bright, give you very bright.